My name's Elspeth McIntosh, and I'm one of the chairs of the QPPV workshop before the QPPV forum. And I'm joined today by Magnus Ysander from AstraZeneca, who's my co-chair.
Hello,
I was in the EU QPPV from 1999 until Brexit, and I'm working as a contract UK QPPV and national contact person. And I've worked mostly across small companies throughout my career, dealing with a range of different products. What about you, Magnus?
Yeah, I'm a bit opposite to you. I've been working for a large company, AstraZeneca, for more than 20 years, and I've been in the QPPV role for 9 years now. Elspeth, you and I are both on the organizing committee for the QPPV forum, and we have been running this QPPV workshop for several years. It has been great fun all the time, hasn't it?
Absolutely. And every time we run the workshop, we all learn something new. So it's good for us as well as for the delegates who come along.
Certainly. Yeah, so this workshop will be run on the day before the actual QPPV forum. So it will happen on the 5th of November, and the venue is in Amsterdam. We look to be joined by a lot of different people. Of course, new QPPVs or deputies, but also those of you that are considering taking on this fantastic role, or others who work with and support QPPVs and want to know more about the role.
Yeah, absolutely. And our workshop will combine lots of different aspects of the QP role. So we'll talk about the legal and regulatory aspects, but also some practical hints and tips that Magnus and I can pass on to you to help you in the QPPV role. The meeting also allows you to meet and discuss with others in a similar role, both new and potential QPPVs, to exchange information and also to ask questions in an open, interactive, small group environment.
That to me is one of the highlights, that it is so interactive and people learn from each other and we share experiences together.
Absolutely.
We very much look forward to seeing you at the workshop. You should really join because Elspeth is so good in presenting such a knowledgeable QPPV.
Thanks, Magnus.
See you there then.
See you. Looking forward to it. Bye-bye.